welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a study visa or you can say a student visa to do study in India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, the very first step is to determine do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, you may or may not need a visa. Okay. But if you determine that, yeah, you have to go for the process, you need to check the requirements as per the official entity that covers your region. Because based on your region where you live, there could be some specific steps, fee, documents required. For example, if you live in Canada in Toronto jurisdiction, I have opened BLS International because this process has been outsourced to them by the Indian officials. If you go to visa, they have the option of this student visa. Okay. So they have given who can apply. So this is going to be a multiple uh, entry visa to students who wish to take courses in a recognized educational institution. Okay. Biometric is compulsory. Applicants between age 12-70 must be present. Okay. To apply for the same. Okay. And if you're going for less than a year, I mean 1 year or less, then it's not required. Okay. And 5-10 years visa will be accepted by postman. So this is fine. Now application fee. So this is in Canadian dollars. For student visa, valid for duration of course 5 years. Visa fee, BLS service charge, total. Okay. Of course, if you take premium services, it could be even more. All right. Now documents required. So checklist is there. I have opened the checklist. So you need this checklist. Okay. Online application form, we'll go through that. Canadian foreign passport. Now it depends, like applicable in your case. Proof of address, photograph, surrender certificate only if you are an Indian origin foreign national. Like for example, in my case, so I had surrendered my Indian passport, but I have Indian OCI too, so I don't need a visa. But yeah, in some cases, maybe like as I said, as per your case. So the okay, now let's go further. Admission letter, okay, of course, the certificate of registration of education institutions. So wherever you will enroll, they will provide this to you. Financial arrangement, because how you're gonna arrange. Letter of student exchange, if applicable. Admission acknowledgement, fee receipt, okay. For research scholar, there's other requirement. Okay, and fee. All right, fee, of course, that you're gonna pay. Please see the information booklet. Okay, details to fill by the applicant. File number, BRS center. Okay, fine. This official use, so no worries about it. Now, online application form, we are going to fill up here. Okay, correct. All right. Status in Canada, PR. Okay, if you are not a Canadian citizen. Additional form, proof of address, driving license, photo ID, utility bills. Okay, photograph, specifications have been given. That is very important. Surrender certificate, if applicable, admission letter, registration, financial, admission sheet, payment receipt, to research scholar, additional form. So that we see here. Okay. Now we'll go through the addition document, and once you have everything, you need to book an appointment with them. Okay. When you so that you can go. They may be like they accept walk-in also, but it's always good to book an appointment. All right. So we will go for it. Processing time they have given for Canadians 7, for non-Canadians 15 to 21 days. Of course, in some cases it may take longer. In some cases they may ask additional documents too. Okay. So online application form is here. For regular paper visa by Indian Mission Post, uh, apply here. So this is what we are gonna do. So how you're going to apply online visa application form? Submit your application with required documents and Indian Visa Application Center. Okay, so in this case, it's gonna be BLS. Okay, like after submit, and then it's gonna get processed. So we are gonna go through this. Click here. Country you're applying visa from. So let's say you're a Canadian. Indian Mission Office, Toronto. Nationality. Let's say you are Canada. Date of birth, do it as per your case. Just don't go by what I'm doing. I'm just putting some sample. Let's say you're born on Jan 11th. Email address, expected date of arrival. This is also important. So let's say I'm putting September 25. Visa type, this is very important. Purpose, yeah, again purpose. So let's say you're going for higher education. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put some sample email, but you need to provide proper email address to be considered. Don't do like this. These things we have already filled. Now captcha. Now email address should be proper, and every piece of information you put over here, make sure you verify at least 2 times, not just once. Surname, name. Okay, I'm just putting sample. I'm sorry, sometime my typing. Wow, first name is mandatory, surname is not. Have you ever changed your name? If yes, check and give details. But let's say you have not. Gender, town, city of birth. Let's say you're born in Toronto. Country of birth. Let's say Canada. Citizenship, national ID number, whatever it is applicable in your case to it. Religion, they have asked. Wow. Visible identity, no. Educational qualification. Let's say you already graduate and you're going for post graduation. Did you require acquire national by birth? Let's say by birth. Passport details, very important. A4 section, let's say Toronto. Date of issue, date of expiry. Any other valid passport certificate held? I select uh, no. Okay. Now save and continue. Present address, house number, village, city. And I'll, of course, provide full information which street. Postal code, phone number, provide properly. Permanent address, same copied. Father details. Okay. I'll just say Peter Smith. Nationality, Canada. Previous nationality, region. This is not applicable. Place of birth. Let's say his dad was born in Toronto too. Mother name. Let's say Alana Smith. Nationality, region. Native place of birth. Let's say Toronto for her also. Country, region of birth, Canada. Applicant marital status, let's say single. Where your grandfather or grandfather, grandmother, pattern maternal, Pakistan national belong to Pakistan held area, I select no. Profession, present occupation, let's say he is just self-employed, yeah. Name, provide the name of the business. Like I'm doing this, but you provide correct information, whatever applicable in your case. Past occupation, if where you military, say military, police, security organization, I select no. Okay, now it's important. Type of visa, student. Name of institution in India, address, phone number, email. Describe the course applied for, email. Sorry about that. Yeah. Duration of study, duration of visit in months. So I'll go 48. Number of entries, multiple. Purpose of visit. Port of arrival in India, I select new. Delhi. Expected port of exit is not mandatory, but I'll still put. Delhi. Have you visited India before? I select no. Has permission to visit Australia previously been refused? I select no. Countries visited in last 10 years? I'm leaving it. If I'm thinking he hasn't gone anywhere. Name, reference name in India, address, state, Delhi, district, phone. Name in Canada. Oh, it cannot have this address, phone number. The sample, guys. Oh, have you existed? Select no. Save and continue. Phone number. Have you ever been arrested, prosecuted? I select no. Refused entry, engaged in human trafficking. Provide all the information correctly. Okay. Okay. Now you have to check in and then save and continue, and then you need to submit. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So based on this, you can go ahead. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.